guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Churches Teaches. In this channel, I share dressmaking tutorials, bag making tutorials, and DIY. Today, I'm going to be taking you guys on how I made another special thing. Can you guess? Yes, how I made this cute mini. I made use of this Ankara to design this bag, so you can match it together and you can rock it with me. In this video, I will share with you guys how I made this bag. I also used Ankara for the lining. As you can see, everything just came out really fine. Like, I can't wait to share it with you guys because I know that you guys are always ready to see the beautiful things that I always design. So guys, let's don't wait to get straight into the video. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you all. Let's go. I'll be making use of this pattern for this bag making in this tutorial. I'll be making use of Marco for the thickness of this bag. If you have fiber or carton, you can also make use of it. As you can see, I cut out my pattern exact using the Marco. Then these 2 inches, you can see I'm going to be cutting it out. So I'm trying to use this arrow not to misplace it. When cutting the Ankara is going to be ½ inch or 1 inch bigger than the Marco, because it's going to help us to make the edge of our bag neat and smoothly. I'll be making use of a foreign gum. If you have a gum that is strong enough, you can also make use of it. Then I'm going to gum everything. Then I'm going to follow that arrow and place it in order. Once I was done gumming and everything, I'm now going to gum that Ankara part so that I'll make the edge smooth. Watch carefully how I'll be notching the edges to make it smooth. I've done this kind of thing in my previous tutorial. I'll be dropping the link in the description box for more details. Then for my handle, the length is 10 inches and the weight is like 1 inches. So I'm going to be folding it in, as you can see, and I'll be making use of this Ankara 14 inches unfold with 2.5 inches, and I'll stitch it, pass the handle through it. And I'm going to target the place I'm going to put my handle, and I came in by 1.5 inches, and I'm going to divide it, that 2 inches, which is 1 inches. At the center I'm going to make a hole and pass my two handle through it. Then I'm going to gum it like this. Also going to be using Ankara for the lining. In cutting of the lining is not going to be exact with the main bag. It's going to be small inch smaller than the main bag, so that the lining is not going to come outside. Then I cut my magnetic pin. This is the lining. I'm going to come down by 1 inches and target the center and make a hole through it and pass the magnetic pin through that part. I'm going to use the finisher to finish it up. I'm going to gum it before gumming it to the bag. Then I'll be adding the second magnetic pin to this front part. You target the center and you place it. I'm now going to use the lining to cover it up. Right now everything is looking neat. Watch carefully how I'm going to be stitching this together. You stitch from here to here. You do the same thing to the other side. To attach it to the body of the bag. Go to your sewing machine and stitch it round. I'm going to bring this part and also do the same thing. So guys, if you are still with me in this process, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next tutorial.